Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I will be giving you a very quick tutorial on my favorite starter lock style. When I first posted this on Instagram, everyone loved it and people were asking for tutorials. So I'm excited to bring this video to you all. I am 5 months and a couple of weeks into my lock journey. So stay tuned if you are interested in learning how I get my signature style. Many of you have seen me do the Bantu knots, and that's just not something that I want to do anymore. It did not do too well for my scalp. So I just want to give that disclaimer as well. You want to make sure that these are not tight at all. What I'm gonna do first is make sure that I part off my hair. Because I've done this a couple of times on my hair, I pretty much know where my parts are going to be, but you want to get a good idea of your parting, and just to make sure that you have close to the same amount of locks in each barrel. Only two things that you will need is a clip, or 2 or 3, and rubber bands. I'll also be pre-coating my rubber bands with baby oil, and that'll just help to decrease the amount of tension. I pretty much know that, you know, I have my middle part, and then I have 3 rows over here, 3 rows on this side, and then the 2 in the front kind of go back. And usually I'll leave out my favorite lock in the front, and it's just getting so much longer. Like, look how little it was. It was above my eyebrow, and now it's coming down below. So what you want to do is go ahead and moisturize your scalp. If you haven't, I have a mirror here, and that's what I'm looking at in order to part my hair. I'm going to take these two, I'm just going to cross them over each other, wrap one around, and then again, take it from each side. So I'm going to go on this side, second again, one this side. Now when I get here, they're a little weird, so I'm taking 2. Take 1 from that side. Again, 2, wrapping it over, 2, 1, 2. So at this point, I have realized that something's really wrong with my scalp. I'm texting my sister because she had mentioned it to me when she was doing my hair. However, I had not seen the severity of it until this moment. So I'm pretty much in panic mode right now. Even though I look super calm, I'm panicking and texting her. And I can't even explain all the things going through my mind at this point. It's like, do I still want to do this style? I'm about to go get my clippers and just shave this mess off. Like, so many different things. And the main thing being, I just want to cry. And you'll see soon. That's what happens. So I'm a little bit of a big breakdown because, so I started my locks. I think I was explained before, I had someone else do them instead of myself. I'm a very stickler about my parts, and so from the beginning, when I think from my first retwist, when I really could see what my parts were looking like with a retwist, I was like, okay, this is like, with me being a perfectionist as far as like my parting, it just really honestly was not up to the level of like perfection that I prefer like to start with my clients and everything like that. But again, pushing through and just telling myself like, just stick with it, and over time you'll be able to correct your part. So recently my sister, who I trust 100% with my locks, went through and kind of fixed them. But as she was going through, she's noticing in the middle how some of my hair was kind of breaking off. I'm actually really considering taking that video down because I do not want anyone else out here kind of experiencing what I'm experiencing right now. I'm pretty sure that the majority of the breakage that I'm seeing in the middle of my hair, but I literally just realized right now trying to film this video It's probably due largely to the to the rubber bands that I had put on my hair in order to do the bands or not. But the middle of my hair is really bad right now. Like, it's really bad. My sister was telling me, you know, she was doing it, she was letting me know, but I didn't think it was this bad until I just started looking in the mirror right now to do this style and record this video. So I'm texting her right now, like, sis, I want to cut this off, like, and legit start over. And it's kind of scary because I'm building my channel based on like starter lock content. There are so many people who are subscribed to me now who are following me because I'm sharing so much about my starter lock journey, and I want to be transparent with you all. I want to like really show you the journey. And what I really could do is only show you the front of my head right now, do my style, put the video up. That's what I could do, but that's not the type of person that I am. I want to make sure that I'm being transparent with you all. Like, you are seeing me in the moment, like my eyes are watering up because I'm stressed out. I'm gonna give y'all just like close up. You know, I'm actually not going to do this style. I'm not going to do it because even though this doesn't hurt, I don't even want the middle of my head exposed like this. It doesn't look good. I don't even know what to say. I feel like, yeah, I'm pretty much making my mind up in this moment that I don't want to keep these locks, unfortunately. Just like, you know, I'm 5 months in now. I can be 5 months in very soon again, and I was literally about to cry right now. I want y'all to see there is breakage here in the middle of my parts. Breakage. And this is honestly a big learning lesson for me. I start locks in, so a lot of times I tell clients that I will not put bantu knots in there, so I don't even know why I decided to put them in my own hair. I'm not going to beat myself up about it because hair is delicate. Our hair is delicate. Even as a loctician, so many people rely on me for help with keeping their locks healthy, and I do a really good job, and I don't want to put myself in a position that I would never put my clients in. It's crazy because I just cut my camera back on and it's on whatever this filter is, but it's literally fitting because the more I think about it and talk about it, my best friend just texted me like, what's good? And I'm telling him that I'm crying, and me just even having to explain to him has me feeling crazy right now. Like, first of all, I gotta go wipe my makeup off. Terrible. It's really making me want to go get my clippers right now and ready to cut my hair off. Posted on my close friend.